I'm going to be showing you how to find Lana's childhood house in part 1. So first you just have to follow the white flowers, or you could just follow where I am going.
I'll be showing you how to complete level 2. First, go upstairs and go to the bathroom. You will see a map piece at the last stall. Next, go to storage and you will find a map piece on a shelf. Trigger warning: loud screams and jump scares. Now go to cafeteria. You will see a map piece on the table. If you don't like screams or loud noises, turn down your volume. Go to room 3, which is Lana's room, and you will find a map piece behind the bed. She ran past me. Go upstairs and there will be a map piece behind these crates. Now the debris has been cleared. Go escape through the medical wing. Loud noises and jump scares: if you die, lower down your volume. Keep your stamina and save it until you reach the end, or just use it at start. Sorry if I am going slow. I made it, like and sub for tutorial for part 3. Hi guys, welcome to this vid.
I just don't know what to do.
Today I'm going to
Time
be
is
showing
running
you how to
out.
finish the maze and defeat Lena or Evil Lena.
It's Lana. Tonight's the full blood moon. We're running out of time. Soon her soul will be completely gone. I had to run. I couldn't help the real Lana. Lena knows who I am, and she's working for him. If she had seen me... She's trapped in the catacombs. There's a secret entrance to them through this portal behind me. It's how the doppelgangers appear. I can't come with you because of Lena, but I believe in you. Save Lana and stop Lena!
Start following the red faded line or just follow the sparks or me. Don't step on the dark squares for a long time or else the spikes on top will fall on you.
Finally, another human face. Wait, you're not one of them, are you? Oh, what a relief. My name's Haley, and I was a paranormal podcaster. One of my subscribers gave me a tip about ancient catacombs that were hidden under a nail salon, of all places. So of course I had to investigate. Wait, you have no idea what you're about to get yourself into. I should know, since I died here. My soul has been trapped here ever since. Lena and that doppelganger are inside, and they're waiting for you.
I'm so sorry, Haley. If I can figure out a way to free your soul, I will. I am ready to battle their great evil if that's what it comes to.
Good luck, and don't die like me, please.
So, we meet again. Oh, don't look so confused.
Ah,
I know
what
you
happened
know
here?
I'm not the real Lana, and I don't care.
Lana, or whatever you are, shut up! I'm sure you know who I am. But you don't know what I am.
Sorry,
My name is Lena,
for my screen keeps
and we've
turning.
been watching you for a very long time. I'd be lying if I said I wasn't impressed with how much you've managed to figure out.
Lena and fake Lana, you need to release the real Lana. She doesn't deserve this. You don't have to do Agamemnon's bidding. He doesn't care about you. He only cares about himself.
Don't you dare! He is most pleased with me. He needs Lana's soul to sacrifice her doppelgangers, or else everything he has built will be destroyed. He is not like us, not a mere mortal. He is a god, and I worship him. And so should you, if you wish to live.
I refuse. This is wrong. He is evil, and he's using you to do his bidding. I won't leave until you leave the real Lana go.
Very well. What comes next is your fault. Agamemnon, I call upon your glorious power. Master, please transform me so I can obliterate this puny imbecile once and for all!
I love the music. It's so nice. Let Lana go.
Let me tell you a story of betrayal between two people unalike. There was a goddess who was immortal against the jealousy of a warrior. And when the time came for a judgment, there were more wrongs than a right. There was no solace, no immunity, only who sacrificed their souls for the temptation in his heart. His life was doomed right from the start. He wanted more than what he got, but it was locked away. Obsessed with immortality, he wanted to live eternally, wanted to make himself a god, and now he's locked
Let the battle begin!
Go grab the scythe and prepare for the fake Lana portals. After this, there will be some black stuff on the ground, so go stand on the rocks. Now, evil Lena will shoot spikes at you, so try to avoid them. Now she will make spikes on the ground, so try to avoid them also. Now she will go and chase you around. Now start jumping because she is going to I don't know what she is doing. Maybe jumping or something. Now you will be able to attack her.
No, please! Agamemnon, forgive my weakness!
That's it for today, y'all.
I can
I'll
be
make
your
another
soul.
vid and put them all together.